Viewers, in this website you will find many backlinks. The website link is given in my video description, so check my video description to find this website link. You will find many backlinks here. High domain authority backlinks. Mapquest.com has 93 domain authority. You'll find many backlinks here in this website, so check my video description. Domain authority 8289. You'll find all the high domain authority backlinks in this website. Merchantcircle.com has 86 domain authority. The website link is given in my video description, so check my video description. You will find many backlinks in this website. You can see that all the backlinks are given here, and I will update in every week those backlinks. I will add more backlinks, so check this website. You can see truecall.com.au has 74 domain authority. The website link is given in my video description, so check the video description. You can see that there is more backlinks. You can add backlinks to your website very easily. If you have any problem, then write in my comment box. If any link doesn't work, then write in my comment box. I will update it. The website link is given in my video description, so check it now. You'll find many backlinks. I will update and add more backlinks in every week. So like my video guys and subscribe to my channel. And if there is any problem, then you can write in the comment box. You will find many backlinks here.
Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got 1 too many quarters in my